Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neera Singh from NainaHomeo Care, and today we are going to talk about what to eat and how to eat during exams. As March is going on, many of students are having their exams and others are going to take in near future. So it becomes like a very stressful environment for parents as well and for students as well. Foods, what you should eat is very important during exams, because keeping well during and before exams is very important. Focus on study can become all consuming at exam time, and nutrition might sometimes fall behind in the list of priorities. However, a healthy diet plays a vital role in achieving peak academic performance. So, it is very important to learn how to choose the right foods to help fuel your brain and smash your study schedule. Exams preparations require lots of deliberate planning and adequate time management. So, the kind of food is also very important. What we eat is also important during exam preparation. Certain kinds of food increase alertness, enhance memory retention, and can increase energy levels and general well being. Here are few tips that can help you during exam preparations. And number one, and the most important one, is stay hydrated. Water accelerates the chemical reactions in our bodies and can quicken the rate at which our brains process information. Dehydration, on the other hand, can cause fatigue, forgetfulness, and sluggishness. It is recommended that you aim to drink at least 2.5 liters of water a day for good mental health and general well-being. So get a handy water bottle today beside your reading desk. And the next one is go easy on sugar. There is often the temptation to snack on sugary food while studying. I think everybody can relate with it. It has been discovered that this is counterproductive, because excessive sugar consumption leads to a temporary rush of energy, which is quickly followed by crashing blood sugar levels, causing fatigue, among other things. So please keep check on your sweet and sugar tooth. Reduce the items, or you can shift these food, sugar foods and sugar food craving, to fruits. You can make the shift. Next one is healthy snacking. So instead of sugary foods, try to snack on nuts, cottage cheese, figs, dried fruits, oatmeal, eggs, yogurt. These protein rich foods have been proven to improve memory retention, mental alertness, and increase energy levels. So it is better to shift to these foods rather than having high carbohydrate or high sugar foods. And then comes leafy greens. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale are packed with vitamin K, which helps build pathways in the brain actually, and as well as naturally occurring nitrates and antioxidants in these leafy green vegetables benefit us a lot. They also contain B6 and B12, which are associated with improvements in alertness and memory. We are what we eat. Exam period is not the time to skip meals or eat junk food. Rest adequately and take care of your physical and mental health. You need to be the best version of yourself for the exam. So eat light, exercise, and study. Exercise is also very important during exams. Maybe you can reduce it to say half an hour or maybe 40 minutes, as you like, but these are actually stress busters, and actually they increase your awareness and your concentration levels. Our brain is most complex part of our body. Like a computer, it runs millions of processes every day. It never stops working, so it needs constant topping up with the fuel it operates on. That is glucose, which is a type of sugar. Our body obtains glucose from our food and it's delivered to the brain through the bloodstream. Now the problem is your brain can't store glucose, so you need to top up your levels every day. So if your brain isn't properly fueled, you are likely to feel sad and irritable. You might also have trouble sleeping, poor memory, and difficulty in problem solving. That's not how you want to feel when you turn up for an exam, right? So, which foods are the best fuel? We have talked about how to eat, what to eat, and there are some more examples also. Like healthy brain food for studying includes proteins and antioxidants, omega 3 found in oily fish, flax seeds, flax oil, eggs, chicken. These have been found to help your brain work harder and improve your mental health. Dietary cholesterol is very important, which is in dairy and egg yolks. Our brain relies on cholesterol to create the cells that send messages to the rest of the body. Monounsaturated fats are very important. They are important to improve our memory and help our brain work harder, better, faster, and stronger. Caffeine can be taken in moderate amounts, and children prefer actually dark chocolates. And in small doses, caffeine can help you feel refreshed and more focused. So, the simple dietary tips are there, but if you are able to do with them, they will serve you better. Eating well-rounded meals most of the time will help you study better and lead to better results, both in the short term and long term. While many of the brain foods we have talked about have immediate results, like fruits, but the best results are the ones that show up over time, such as the slowing down of age related cognitive decline, etc. That is something different, but keeping your diet healthy keeps boosts up your memory and boosts up your brain function. So uh, keep focused on your studies, along with please pay attention to what you eat and how you eat. It's very, very important. With this I end this audio, and it's very important that you study well and eat well. So students, all the best. Take care.